I welcome all of you in the lesson number 20 for grade 2 mathematics, guys. We are studying about the length and we have completed the page number 127. Uh, we are going to do a revision. First, we will revise what we have learned yesterday. Then we will do some more practice about length in meters, how you can measure length by meter ruler. Okay. Or then we will move to the book, page number 129, and inshallah we'll finish the practice zone of page 129, the question answers of the year. So guys, we start with the yesterday, what we learned, just revise that. So we learned that we can measure the length in the meters as well. In the previous classes we learned that we can measure the length in centimeter. Like if I go back to the page number 127, so you can see there is a ruler, and we were measuring the length in centimeter. This mobile phone is 10 centimeter, this nail clipper is 5 centimeter. So same as centimeter, we can also measure the length in meters. Where we use meters or where we use centimeters to measure. So guys, we usually measure objects that are very long or tall in meters instead of centimeters, okay? Or we measure small objects, uh, short objects in centimeters like pencil, razor, sharpener. So small objects we measure by centimeter ruler, and the tall objects or long objects we measure in the meter ruler. Okay, so now we are going to check how we can use meter ruler to check the length of any of the shape, any of the object, any person. So look at this ruler, guys. This ruler is 1 meter. Okay, this is a meter ruler, and the whole ruler is equal to 1 meter. If you look at this boy, so you can see that this boy is slightly taller. This boy is slightly taller than this ruler. Okay, that's mean you can say this boy has more height than this ruler. It is more taller than a ruler. How we will see, guys, that uh, length of any object or any person is taller or not? It's very easy. Let's suppose I draw a line here. Okay, now you can see the line, guys. So this line is bigger than this ruler. If I make it more big, look, this line is bigger than this ruler. Okay, so you can say, guys, sir, this line is more tall than meter ruler. What you have to compare, guys? You have to compare any object with the meter ruler here in this topic. So if I ask you about this line, that students tell me this line is more tall than meter ruler or less tall than meter ruler. So first you will check the line is big or short, long or short, big or small. So you will say, sir, this line is big, it is taller. So you will say, sir, this line is more tall than 1 meter ruler. So I can write it like this, that this line is this line is more tall than meter ruler. Is that clear, guys? Where you will use more tall? Is that
No,
clear?
no problem. Yes, sir.
Because line is big here. Line is bigger here. Line is taller here. Okay.
Yes,
That's very good.
sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Because line is taller here, line is bigger here. So you will say, sir, line is more taller than the meter ruler. Or the whole meter ruler is equal to 1 meter. You can look here. This whole meter ruler is equal to 1 meter. So if you want to measure it in length, so you can say, sir, this line is more tall than 1 meter. This line is more tall than 1 meter. Okay, let's suppose if the line is, I change the length of the line, the height of the line. Now, in this situation, if you see guys, so this line is now shorter than 1 meter. This ruler height is this and this line is reaching up to here. So if I ask you guys, students, check the length or check the height of this line. Is it taller or shorter? The length of the height of this line is bigger or smaller than the ruler. So what you will say guys? Taller or shorter? Line height.
Shorter.
Very good.
Shorter.
Very good. Very good.
Shorter.
Shorter.
Shorter than
Shorter. Very good.
the meter.
So you can say that this line is shorter than the meter ruler. So how you can write it? You can write that this line is less. This line is less taller than meter ruler, or it is less than 1 meter. I can say this also, or what I can say? I can say this line is less than 1 meter. Why I am saying this? Because this ruler measurement is 1 meter. This ruler is equal to 1 meter and it is less than 1 meter. It is less than this ruler, right? So I can say that this line is less than 1 meter. So guys, in question answers, in the practice zone, the exercise you will do, you have to identify that whether a object is less than or more than 1 meter. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you questions and you have to reply me. Just I will give you two options, three options, less than, more than, or about. And then you have to tell me the answer. Okay. Consider this length. This is the length of line. This is the length of line. Now you have to check the line and you have to tell me. I am going to give you a fill in the blanks in the chat box to everyone. Then you have to reply me. The question I'm going to ask, that is, this line is dash. Let me finish it first. I'm writing. This line is dash than 1 meter. Okay. Options are more than, less than, about to. This line is dash than 1 meter. I send you a message guys to everyone. You have to answer me. This line is dash than 1 meter. More than, less than, or about to. More than, less than, or about to. I can write here also. Ali Nizar, check this line. Check the line. Check the line and tell me the answer. I am writing here also. This line, Ali Nizar, very good, is Ahmad Farooq, very good. Asser, very good. Hamedo, very good. Saud, very good. Saud, I did not give you the option of taller, okay? I'm asking this line is dash than 1 meter, less than, more than, or about to. Rafiq Samir, very good. Yes, Sharif Ahmed. Very good. Very good, Sharif. Amal, very good. Saud, very good. Very good, guys. Ayan, very good. Os, no. Saud, very good. Adam, Saud, very good. Adam, use more than, less than, or about to. Ahmad Yusuf, I gave you only three options. Either you use more than, less than, or about to. Check the length of the line. Also, I know you know the answer. I am going to open the mic and you have to tell me. Yes, guys, this line is dash than 1 meter, more than, less than, or about to.
More than.
More than.
Very good. I will take one of the student and I will ask him why it is more than. Hmm, I am going to take um, Miraj. Can you hear me, Miraj?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me this line is more than, less than, or about to 1 meter dash. The line is dash than 1 meter, more than, less than, or about to.
More than.
Why it is more than? Very good, Yad Shami and Mantar. Yes, because the line is bigger, right? The line is taller. You can
Yes.
see the line is bigger. It is taller than the meter ruler. This ruler is 1 meter. So 1 meter from here to here, it's 1 meter. But it is more than that. If you see this part, for all of you guys, look at this part. This part, this line is having this height extra rather than this. This is equals to 1 meter. Okay. If it the line is here, we will say it is about to 1 meter. But it is more than that. It has more height than this ruler. This is 1 meter, so it is more than 1 meter. Clear? Thank you. Yes, guys, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I'm going to change the length and you have to tell me whether a line is. Guys, now check the length of the line and tell me that this line is dash than 1 meter, more than, about to, or less than. Saud, very good. Os, very good. Ali Nizar, very good. Muhammad Farooq, very good. This line is dash than 1 meter, more than, less than, or about to. Check the answer, guys, and tell me. Check the length. Very good, Sharif. Sharif Ahmad, very good. Abdul Rahman, very good. Hamedo, very good. Muhammad Asad, very good. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Ali Nizar, very good. Os, very good. Asser, very good. No, Ilyas, it is not same. Okay, it is. I got it. You're telling that the length is same. But what you will say if the length is same? What you will say? It is more than, less than, or about to 1 meter. Yes, it is measured in meter. This ruler length is meter. Okay, so this line length is also same as this ruler. So we can say, sir, this line is guys
About.
about 2
About.
meters.
About. About. About.
Very good.
About.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
About.
Very good. You will say, sir, this line is about to 1 meter tall. Okay. If I change the length again and now, if I ask you, this line is dash than 1 meter tall, more than, less than, or about to. Saud, very good. Okay, Sharif. Yes, guys, this line, check the length of the line and tell me. Muhammad Asad, very good. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, no. Look, look, guys, this is 1 meter and the line is shorter. So it is not same tall as the ruler. Okay, and it is not more tall than ruler. It is shorter. So for shorter, you will say it is less than 1 meter. It is less than 1 meter. Why? Because it is shorter. This line is shorter. It has less length than 1 meter. Because this is 1 meter, it has less length. Okay, very good. So guys, is it clear to you, all of you? Okay, guys, come to the page number 129. Come to the page number 129. Come to the page number 129. Page number 129. On page number 129, the question is, look at the picture, then fill in the boxes with more than, about, or less than. Okay, this is the picture, guys, and you have to tell me the answer. The notice board is 2 meter long. Guys, for long, we will use this direction horizontally. Okay, for tall, you will check the height, and for long, you will check the width. So this is for long. This is, you have to check for long, and this is for tall. Clear? For long, now you have to check the notice board. The notice board is more than, about, or less than 2 meter long. So you can check in the book also, or you can check in the screen also. You must have open your book. check in your book that this notice board is dash than 2 meter long, more than or less than. You can see guys, this is 1 meter. This ruler is 1 meter, and this is also 1 meter. So 1 plus 1, 2. That's mean up to 2 meter it is here. This is 2 meter. I clear some, I make it clear for you guys. Yes. So guys, you know it that for long you have to check it horizontally. Okay. Now this one ruler is equal to 1 meter. This one ruler is equal to 1 meter. Okay. There are two rulers. This is also one and this is also one. So this is two. And this is the length of this notice board of 2 meter. This is the length of 2 meter. Now you have to check that whether a notice board length is more than or less than 2 meter long. So I will help you guys how you will have to do it. You can check it that 2 meter long reaches up to here. It is starting point is here and the ending point of 2 meter is here. Okay, and you can see that still you have notice board it still you can see that notice board is long. So the answer is yes, the notice board is more than 2 meter long, because 2 meter, you can see that this board is longer than 2 meter. You can see that this is longer. Okay, the notice board is bigger than 2 meters. So you will say, sir, notice board is more than 2 meter long. Notice board is more than 2 meter long. Very good. Do you understand, guys?
Yes.
I do, and I have something in the
Don't need to shout, guys. So right here, more than. Right here, more than. It is more than 2 meter long. It is more than 2 meter tall. It is more than 2 meter long. Now you will have to check, guys, the notice board. The notice board is dash meter tall. So you can see, guys, the height of it. For tallness, you will see the height of this, and look at the height of this board. It's almost equal to 1 meter. It is almost same as 1 meter. So what you will say, guys, that this notice board is dash 1 meter tall, more, less, or about to.
About.
about
About, very good. About, very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So you will write it is about 1 meter tall. It is about 1 meter tall. It is about 1 meter tall. Very good, Sharif. Yes, guys. So the notice board is more than 2 meter long. You can see that it is more longer. So that's why you say it is more than. And the notice board is 1 meter dash 1 meter tall. About 1 meter tall, more than 1 meter tall, or less than. So you see it's almost about. So you will say the notice board is about 1 meter tall. Coming to the question number 2, guys. Look at the pictures, then fill in the boxes with more than, about, or less than. You have to fill also here. The picture is changed, guys. Look, this is a meter ruler. This is equals to 1 meter. This is also equals to 1 meter. And this is also equals to 1 meter. As this is a meter ruler. Again, I repeat, guys. You have to check this figure and you know that this ruler is equals to 1 meter. Okay. 1 meter, 1 meter, and 1 meter. Total 3 meter. 3 rulers are there. So 3 meters. Now I will read the question. The question is saying the tree is dash 1 meter tall, more than, about, or less than. So guys, this is very easy question. Look at the height of the tree and tell me the height of the tree is less than 1 meter, more than 1 meter, or about 1 meter. The height is same as 1 meter. Look, this is 1 meter. This is 1 meter. The height is same as 1 meter, less than 1 meter, or more than. Tell me the answers. Tell me the answers in the chat box, guys. Very good. Ali Nizar. Adam, how? No. 1 meter. You have to look this also. 1 meter. It is not asking 3 meter. There are three scales. 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 3. But the question is asking about 1 meter. Hamedo, very good. More than. Very good. Ash, very good. Abdul Rahim, very good. Don't tell me the height of the tree. Just tell me the answer. The tree is more than, less than, or about 1 meter tall. Aha, very good. Umar Hassan, Muhammad Sami, Ayan. Muhammad Farooq, no. Amjad Muhammad, very good. No. Mashari. Abdul Aziz Muhammad, no. Asr, very good. So this is the confusion what you are doing, guys. Again, I'm repeating. The question is asking that the tree is dash 1 meter tall. 1 meter means forget about these two. Forget about these two. Just look at this. What is the height of 1 meter? This is the height of 1 meter. Check. This is 1 meter. Okay. Now check. The length of this tree is more than, less than, or about 1 meter. This is 1 meter length. So you can see that tree has more length. It is more than 1 meter. Okay. It cannot be less than or about. I know some students are checking it by 3 or they are saying about, but the question is to check the tree is 1 meter tall or not. Dash 1 meter tall. If it is 3, so you can write about, but it is 1. So 1 meter length means this is the height, this is the length, this is, you have to check. So you can see that 1 meter height is that, and tree is having more length, more height than the meter ruler, than the 1 meter. So what will be the answer there, guys? The tree is dash 1 meter tall.
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, 30 meters.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't tell me yes or no. Tell me the answer. Tree is dash 1 meter tall. More than, about, or less than?
More than.
More than.
Very
Taller.
good. Very good. You will say, sir, tree is more than 1 meter tall because tree is taller than 1 meter. It is almost about to 3 meter, but it is not. It is more than 1 meter. It is taller than 1 meter. So you are going to write more than. Write more than. It is more than 1 meter tall. It is more than 1 meter tall. Now look at the boy. The boy is dash 1 meter tall. The boy is dash 1 meter tall. So guys, look at the meter ruler. This is the meter ruler. This is the height of meter ruler. If you check the length of this boy, the height, so you can see that this boy is, you can see guys that this boy is having less height. This boy is shorter. This boy is shorter than this meter ruler. That's mean you will say, sir, the boy is less than 1 meter tall. So you will write here less than. Why? Because the boy is shorter. The boy is shorter than 1 meter. So you will say, sir, the boy is less than 1 meter tall. The boy is less than 1 meter tall. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Very good, very
Yes.
good, very good, very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, guys, you have to check the lamp is dash 1 meter tall. So you can see, guys, that this is the length, or this is the length of lamp. Okay, so this is 1 meter, and you can see that it is more than. It is more than 1 meter. It is more than 1 meter. It is not less than. It is not about. So you will write, sir, it is more than 1 meter tall. More than 1 meter tall. So you will write here, it is more than 1 meter tall. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. All right, guys. Our class time is also finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you into the next class. Until then, take care of yourself. And inshallah, we'll start from here. We'll continue from here. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.